Hey everyone, Dave here. Welcome to Rusted Pistons. On tonight's episode, we are going to be modifying the Smart Roadster exhaust. Welcome to the garage floor. Here we have the Smart Roadster. Here we have the exhaust. Turbo up there. Little turbo elbow coming out into the cat. Here we've got a lambda sensor. I will be taking that out. I've got an extension to put in. I am going to weld a nut into the new exhaust that I'm building. And then I've got a little extension piece to put the lambda sensor in to fool the ECU into thinking that it's still got a cat on it. The rest of the exhaust, big ugly back box, going into this little horrible exhaust. I can't stand down pointing exhausts, I don't know why. So a couple of little issues there. Couldn't get the angle grinder in the space to get through the pipe I was trying to get through. Try to leave that for a moment and remove the back box. It's not on rubber hangers. I was hoping I could just unhook it and work it out a little bit. Not going to happen. It is bolted to the chassis at the bottom and the top in an inaccessible place. That's a bolt. So the only way to do that is going to be to remove the entire clamshell. It's held on with a succession of Torx bolts. Okay, this is taking a turn. Not what I was hoping to have to do, but this is going fairly well. Okay, I've got my 60-degree bend. I have spaced it out, used a Michelor clamp, and then we've got the little bobber tailpipe. Here's how it's looking at the moment. I'm going to put the lambda sensor here. So I'm going to weld that in here.
The next day.
Okay, so for obvious reasons I can't run it for long, but I'm going to do a little test start now. Want it to sound awesome, don't want to be too loud. Battery's dead.
Wait. What do you mean it's dead?
The battery's dead.
It's gonna.
guys. So I've been driving the car for a couple of days. Tried to convince myself it was okay, but it's too loud. The actual sound it makes is cool from the 3 cylinders, but it's just so loud. When you're like pulling away, that sort of underload, not in the power band sound that you get, it just sounds like a loud tractor. And you might be thinking, well, you've just straight piped it, it's going to be loud. It's louder than the Capri. I expected it to be loud. I didn't expect it to be excruciatingly loud. So note to anyone who's thinking of straight piping their Smart Roadster, if you use it every day, it's going to be too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit a baffle. I'll show you the baffle right now actually. I'm going to fit this. As you can see, you can see straight through there, it has these perforations that are offset from each other. As you can hear, it's loads better, it's loads more manageable.